Alright, new project in the driveway. 77 C-20. It's the body is it's really good condition. It's not rusted out. The fenders or the bottom of the cab, floors are solid, bed's solid. I do have to get rid of this piece of shit though, and I can't find a salvage yard to take it. So I'll try to Craigslist it for free or 50 bucks or something. If that doesn't go, then we will chop it up into little pieces. So Mr. Mustard, sounds like the rods want to come out of the bottom of the engine. I'm putting it down, hold on. Okay. It drove here. It has no exhaust on it, but that's cool because halfway through I couldn't hear the exhaust over the rods. I had to put a little electric pump on there just to get her home. Probably got 2 full tanks of bad gas in it. But engine's garbage and everything's gotten really expensive these days. Got this truck for free just to get it out of the guy's yard, but bad news is I had to take the camper with it. So got a free truck, but there's no free lunch. We all know that. And then I got a call this morning from my uncle. He's packing up, getting ready to move, and he says, "Hey, I have got a 350 Chevy out of a 77 or 78 Chevy van." He says, "But I ain't got no room for it. You want it?" Well, as a matter of fact, I do. I tried to clean it up a little with some purple stuff and the old pressure washer, but man, this stuff is thick. Why are all the old Chevys look like this? They're just gross with leaks and grunge. I mean, that stuff on the transmission's like a 1/4 inch thick. How does that happen? Intake manifold's got a broken off bolt in it, so we're not going to use that one. We'll use the one off the yellow truck. There's a pair of chrome valve covers in the front seat of the yellow truck as well that are brand new, so we might as well use that crap. And that carburetor seemed to work okay. It probably needs a kit. The truck ran decent enough, but like I said, it probably has really old gas. So, new project. Not done with the old one yet, but I got an ice cream truck sitting there in my way right now. That's a story for another day. So anyway, thanks for checking it out. See you later.